Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a spread in my horizontal journal, which is the classic size Happy Planner horizontal layout for the week of December 11th through the 17th. I am going to be using Farmhouse Christmas. These stickers are available in my shop, and if you'll stay tuned till the end of this video, I have a special 30% off coupon code that I'll share with you guys. So this is the sticker kit, and of course the 3 different sizes of stickers that I'm going to be using. I think I'm also going to be using some Christmas quotes. I kind of want to do a Christmas spread for this spread. So let's see where we can start. I kind of want to, I don't know where I want to start. I want to use the Nutcracker. So we'll put him down in the corner down here. And then maybe grab I don't know, maybe the gingerbread man. And this little stocking here. I don't know. I'm just kind of playing around with this layout. Again, this is just a journal, so I need to save myself some room, but if I run out of room, I can always add an insert, like not a half sheet, but like just a regular sheet of fill paper in here to write different journal entries in. So let's see. Just going to decorate that corner down there, and then maybe we'll decorate up top here. On Monday. I don't know what my dog's doing. He's like gagging and making a fuss. I don't know. All right, that's cute. And then let's add some boxes. Maybe I'll do some quotes real quick. Let's see what kind of quotes we can do. I want to use Christmas quotes 3. Let's see. We'll do peace on earth. And let's do Christ is born. Up top there. Now let's add some boxes. Let's see what we can do box wise on this spread. I cut these stickers last week. If you remember last week, my stickers, I had to replace my blades. So I have since replaced my blades. So don't worry. But these stickers did not get cut all the way. But it's okay. We can make them work. All right, I think I'm going to do... We're going to layer... like this. I went a little bit too far. And then I think I want to take a gift. So let's take one of these gifts. And lay there. And then maybe let's take this little plant. All right, and then we'll take some more boxes and go over here. And then I'm going to take, let's see, probably one of these red boxes and stagger up to kind of make it similar to this side, but not the same. Just kind of do the opposite. All right, that's cute. And then I think I'm gonna take, excuse me, another box, like a gift box. Put there. I think I'll take this bow and place down there. Since I have a bow on this side, now I'll have a bow on that side. All right, that's cute. And then I think I might just take a little bit of this plaid washi and just kind of see what I can do with it. I'm gonna rip it like in half. And just lay it at the top and the bottom. See what it looks like. And then we'll put some on this side. Yep, that's really, really cute. Okay. All right, so special coupon code is all capital letters, YouTube 30. So all capital letters, YouTube, and the number 30. You will save 30% off your entire order in my shop at 𝗑𝗨𝗏𝗟𝗏𝗡.com. I have 14 new sticker designs that are available now, as well as the ones that I've used, and lots more available in my shop. So I think that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. And so that is it for this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love y'all. Bye.